Losing trained users every year? Don't start from scratch again. Introducing the Rigaku Training Portal. Master your Rigaku instrument anytime, anywhere with free lifetime e-learning courses. With every diffractometer, you get more than an instrument. You get full access to expert-level training anytime. And the best part is that it's completely free for all Rigaku customers. The Rigaku Training Portal covers everything from basic theories, instrument setups, software, data analysis, and so much more. Self-paced and always available, our portal helps every user in every situation, whether you need a refresher or are onboarding new users. Ready to keep your lab running smoothly, even when people move on? See how Rigaku makes it easy. Visit rigaku.com/training portal and get started today.